Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing buffering issues on Disney+, follow these step-by-step instructions to improve your streaming speed and quality. Step 1. Check your internet connection speed using a speed test website. Disney Plus requires at least 5 megabits per second for HD content and 25 megabits per second for 4K content. Step 2. Move closer to your Wi-Fi router or connect your device directly using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection typically provides more stable speeds than wireless. Step 3. Restart your router or modem. Unplug the power cable, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, and allow it to fully restart before trying Disney Plus again. Step 4. Close other applications and devices using your internet connection. Too many devices streaming simultaneously can cause bandwidth issues and buffering. Step 5. Lower the video quality in Disney Plus settings. Go to your account settings and select a lower streaming quality to reduce buffering if your internet speed is limited. Step 6. Clear the Disney Plus app cache and data. On mobile devices, go to Settings, find Disney Plus under Apps, and select Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Step 7. Update the Disney Plus app to the latest version. Outdated apps may have bugs that cause buffering. Check your device's app store for available updates. Step 8. If buffering persists, contact your internet service provider to check for network issues, or consider upgrading your internet plan for better streaming performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.